All right, let's answer let's answer in this video a question put to me on Instagram. All right, so I want to hear your opinion. I am a polyglot, being decent in many things: electronics, IT, AI, video illustrations, design. My goal is to make different standalone projects but have an agency backbone. Do you think it's wise to have an agency which has all the skill sets, or create different website brands for each? I think people trust one who is specialized and will take other services from him after. So if website for design gets clients, we can offer them other brands. This keeps me in unease for a very long time, as in the case which I find better. Many brands, content creation, and personal brands is a big challenge. Thanks, Stefan. All right, so he says, I'll try to translate this the best I understand. So he's got a range of skills. He likes to learn new things. I'm like that as well. I am an autodidact. I self-learn. And so I have many skills. And he's wondering, should he open up a whole bunch of different sites offering all these different skills, or maybe concentrate on one skill set that he offers as a service provider, as a freelancer at first. And then maybe say to the clients afterwards, well, I can do this, this, and this, and this, and this. So let's say he says, okay, we're going to start off, we're going to build websites. And then later on, we can implement some AI stuff for you here, or we can help you with design, blah, blah, blah. This is possible. The danger with that is that you may spin your wheels, meaning you may try too many things at the same time, which means you won't get any traction in any particular area. What you have to do is, number one, I keep telling people this, let the market guide you. Whether you're looking for a job as a developer and you're trying to choose what language to learn, PHP, Python, JavaScript, not Ruby, or which framework you want to learn, React or Vue, or you want to go to Express with server-side tech, you have to let the market decide. And the market's going to tell you. You never know what is going to work in the real world. That's why I say learn the fundamentals, then jump into the market and let the market guide you in terms of where the money is. I'll give you an example. When, another lifetime ago, when I launched my first business, I had my first business, it had nothing to do with technology, not information technology, but it was water purification products and so on. And we had a range of products. We had a product line that we sold into stores and to public aquariums and rare collectors and stuff like that. And we had a range of products, and we were convinced that product number one, we had product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had real names, but I'm just trying to simplify. So we thought that product number 1 was going to be the Big Sour. We were convinced of it. And so anyhow, and we knew the industry very well. Anyway, so we get into the market with our products, and much to our surprise, it wasn't product number 1 or 2 that sold real well. It was product number 3, something we had not expected whatsoever. And so as a result of that, we concentrated on pushing and boosting product number 3 because that's where the demand was. Same thing. So this story I just told you is about a product line, a physical good that people would buy and use. But if you're looking at selling software development skills, or WordPress skills, or design skills, or social media marketing skills, again, it comes to the same thing. You have to go out there and see what it is and where it is you're going to make your money. And this largely depends on where you happen to live in the world. I know that in certain areas of the world, .NET, C# is very popular. In other areas, it's Ruby Rails. Other areas, Python Django. Other areas, it's PHP. You may find that there's plenty of jobs, which you're probably going to find, in WordPress development for small business. Or you may find that you become a niche provider for implementing WordPress or Wix sites, or you may find people want to do shopping carts from scratch. Who knows, right? You don't know what's going to happen. So that's why I say get your fundamentals done, and then what you do is you learn any new tech or skill sets on a need to nerd basis. This is something I've been teaching for years now. Learn on a need to nerd basis. One of the illusions out there is that you got to learn this framework, that framework, this framework, and then you get the job, and that's how it works. It seems that way, but the reality is that you learn your fundamentals, then you pick something that, based on where you see the demand is, could be one framework, it could be one language, etc. And then you go out there and then you start getting jobs. What you're going to find is your career as a developer, you learn as you code. You learn as you code. You never know where that's going to lead you. You may find yourself doing some really unusual type of coding based on the job demands. But again, another misconception is that people are worried about choosing the wrong language. There's really no such thing, because if you learn how to program in Python, to switch over to C# would be pretty easy. To switch over to JavaScript, pretty easy, etc., etc. So there you go. That's the end of this video. Bye-bye.